And we start with a big news break that's coming in. It's a breakthrough of sorts as Russia has now ordered release of the Indian workers who were hired by the Russian army to take part in the Russia-Ukraine war. This was a part of the meet which happened between Prime Minister Modi and Putin yesterday. And as a result of which, Russia has now decided to discharge and facilitate return of all Indians who'd been forced to work in the Russian army after Prime Minister took up the matter with Putin in that meet with Putin at the Kremlin. So note that at least 24 Indians were forced into fighting Russia's war against Ukraine, something that was even taken up by the MEA with the Russian officials. And while this was one of the teething issues between Russia and New Delhi, this is a big breakthrough coming in as this issue was taken up by Prime Minister Modi in that meet with Putin. In fact, during that dinner that was hosted by Putin for Prime Minister Modi just yesterday. So a historic outcome as those Indians who are trapped and were tricked into fighting Russia's war against Ukraine are set to be released by the Russian army. We'll try and go across to our reporters to get us the details, but a very important issue that was to be taken up during Prime Minister's visit to Moscow, and it seems that Russia has finally agreed to release those Indians who were trapped by the Russian army and were forced to fight the war against Ukraine. And onto the other story. In fact, in continuation with our special coverage of Prime Minister's visit to Moscow, Prime Minister Modi received a grand welcome upon his arrival and was also hosted by the Russian President Putin for official state visit at the Kremlin. In fact, at the mega agenda, there have been mega agendas lined up. It's going to be another power-packed day for Prime Minister Modi in Moscow. Here's a detailed itinerary.
Prime Minister Modi received a ceremonial welcome upon his arrival in Moscow.
It's beautiful to be meeting these bright young children who are in Russia but also representative of India. They are Indian descent children and now in Russia, and they are waiting for their Prime Minister, and as their teacher rightly put, any one of them could be the future PM because of the way they are being groomed, and they're also looking up to the Indian Prime Minister who's going to be here with them soon.
Watch how the Indian diaspora gathered only to catch a glimpse of the Prime Minister. Prime Minister was hosted for an official dinner by Russian President Putin at the Kremlin.
मैं मानता हूं कि ये जो मैंडेट है, जैसा आपने कहा कि 10 साल हमारा जो सरकार का और मेरा तो सिद्धांत रहा है रिफॉर्म, परफॉर्म एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म। देश की जनता ने उसको मोहर लगाई है, हमारी नीतियों पर मोहर लगाई है, और मैंने तय किया है कि मैं तीसरे टर्म में 3 गुना ज़्यादा मेहनत करूंगा और मैं देश के लिए और अच्छे काम करने का प्रयास करूंगा।
Prime Minister's visit comes against the backdrop of the raging Russia-Ukraine war.
एक्सेलेंसी, मैं जानता हूं कि आज का युग युद्ध का है नहीं, और हमने फोन पर भी कई बार आपसे इस विषय में बात की है कि डेमोक्रेसी और डिप्लोमेसी और डायलॉग, ये सारी बातें ऐसी हैं कि जो दुनिया को एक स्पर्श करती है।
While Prime Minister has time and again reiterated India's independent diplomatic stand, Russian President Vladimir Putin too has not shied away from lauding PM Modi for his policies.
We share very good and positive relations with Prime Minister Modi. He's a very wise man, and India has been making great strides in its development under his leadership. So this fully meets the interests of both India and Russia to work on this agenda. So make no mistake, we will move toward these results and we will achieve them.
Russia and India's trade ties have grown even amid the conflict with Ukraine.
networks from India and Russia collaborating for this very special broadcast from Moscow.
Although obviously that is incredibly special, I think we also need to understand this in the wider context. And the wider context is that India and Russia have endured one of the longest standing and time-tested, not just friendships, but also partnerships. This dates all the way back to the Soviet Union. And what's so unique about this particular alliance is that it really is along almost every single line. You know, I talk obviously a lot about geopolitics and about politics, but when it comes to the Russo-Indian relationship,
For Moscow, New Delhi continues to remain a key strategic partner. And with mega agendas on the cards, all eyes are now set on day 2 of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mega Moscow visit.